Are you watching kitties on TV, Rookie?
The cats are scared and not used to human contact.
Where's that kitty?
They don't realize that Chief Investigator Jim Garland is trying to help.
Are you watching kitties on TV?
The details are recorded,
What do you think?
and each one is given an identification column. Only when the cats have been checked over can the Houston SPCA begin planning what to do with all of them.